Fake olive oil is literally everywhere. How to know whether it is fake or original olive oil? What are the health benefits of olive oil? This type of oil is part of the Mediterranean diet. People used olive oil for thousands of years, and according to the legend, the olive oil was also used by Hippocrates, the father of medicine. The olive oil has many health benefits. It contains high amounts of monosaturated fatty acids, which are extremely important compounds, and they provide many health benefits for the human heart and to other parts of the human body if it's consumed on daily basis. The medical experts have confirmed that having regular Mediterranean diet plan rich in olive oil can minimize the risk of getting type 2 diabetes compared to the other low-fat diet plans. We can also say that olive oil is extremely useful for bone health and wellness, as a weight loss aid, and improves the brain function. And yes, olive oil also soothes irregular bowel movements, and it minimizes the anxiety as well. This super healthy oil is loaded with monosaturated fatty acids, which give less fatty tissue load to the human body. Olive oil also contains high amounts of phenolic, the acidic compound which provides the acidic and bitter taste to the oil, and which is also extremely beneficial for healthy heart. Olive oil doesn't contain any carbohydrates or protein at all, and it has some small amounts of hydrogenated fat in it. It also contains vitamin E and vitamin K, which are also very useful for the skin. What is extra virgin olive oil? Is there anything really extra virgin about it? Well, you should know that the term virgin olive oil doesn't explain the oil's quality. So the virgin olive oil doesn't mean it's added pure. The real difference is in the process of manufacturing. You should also know that there are 4 grades of virgin olive oil. Well, the lowest quality of virgin olive oil is used in soap making, and it's not good for consumption. The additional virgin olive oil has the highest grade of olive oil. This type of olive oil is cold pressed, and it's superior in taste and fragrance. This olive oil is not warmed more than 86 degrees Fahrenheit. You should know that there are a bunch of fake olive oil brands being sold on the market, especially when it comes to extra virgin oil. A group of researchers at the University of California carried out some tests amongst many brand names in the United States, which have a tag extra virgin oil on their packaging. So according to the tests, the researchers have discovered a shocking fact: almost 70% of extra virgin oil offered in the United States markets is fake. So be extra careful the next time you see the tag extra virgin olive oil. And here comes the million-dollar question: how can you tell if it's a fake olive oil or genuine olive oil when you are buying it in the supermarkets? Well, the tastes of these two olive oils are comparable, so you'll need to find another way to make the difference between the fake and the genuine one. What's fake olive oil and how prevalent is its circulation? Well, the fake olive oil can be a 2-oil combo, a part of sunflower oil with some pure olive oil. This type of fake oil can be identified as extra virgin olive oil. And it also can be substandard, a mixture of numerous olive oils from different countries in the world. Also, it can be non-Italian oil, just a combo of soybean oil and some sunflower oil. They can also add some additives of chlorophyll and some beta-carotene, and this oil can be identified as extra virgin olive oil. You should be extra careful when you check out the tags of extra pure and extra virgin. You can see many different commercials on the TV, and they are all saying that they sell the healthiest olive oil on the planet. But the truth is actually much different. They actually sell fake olive oil. The recent research has shown that many famous brands are selling fake olive oil, brands such as Bertolli, Filippo Berio, Mazzola Mazzetta, Newman's Own, Star, Safeway, Colavita, and also Whole Meals, etc. How to know if it is a fake olive oil? What are the tests to help you differentiate fake olive oil from original olive oil? Now we will answer the most important question: how can you tell if you are buying fake or genuine olive oil? Well, we'll try to help you with some useful tips. But if you asking yourselves, is it worth buying the fake one instead of the genuine? Well, that's all up to you. At the end, it's your life and you are responsible for your own health, right? Here's what you need to do: you can perform this simple test at your own home. When you buy extra virgin olive oil, you need to cool it. If the olive oil strengthens, this means that it has more monosaturated fats in it. But this still doesn't eliminate the presence of other oils such as sunflower or canola oil or any other oils. Well, on the other hand, if this oil doesn't strengthen, this means that it's not extra virgin oil at all. Here's another test: the extra virgin oil is expected to keep the oil lamp flammable. But again, this is not 100% accurate test. But if the oil doesn't light the lamp for a longer time, this means that it's definitely not an extra virgin olive oil. So what's the bottom line? The test, the taste, the refrigerator test, or the lamp test are not very precise or dependable methods to find out the truth about your olive oil. So what's your best option? Well, your very best option is to buy olive oil from your neighborhood farmers. The olive oil from Italy is considered to be standard compared to the olive oil from other countries. Look for certification. And you should always look for third-party qualification on the packaging when you buy extra virgin olive oil in the supermarkets. These two associations, the California Olive Oil Council and the Australian Olive Association, they both have stringent accreditation programs that make their seals trustworthy. And you should also know that when you are buying olive oil made or packaged in Italy, search for PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, or PGI, Protected Geographical Indication, seals. And let me say the brand names that sell fake olive oil again: Pompian, Whole Foods, Bertolli, Colavita, Carapelli, Star. Eat Local Grown likewise states, Filippo Berio, Mazzola, Mazzetta, Newman's Own, Safeway and Whole Foods in this listing. The information could be from the earlier 2010 research study when a lot more brands were examined. You should buy extra virgin olive oil from these brands, because they are definitely the best ones: Lucini, Lucero, Ascolano, California Olive Ranch, Kirkland Organic, McEvoy Ranch Organic, Cobram Estate are additionally noted by Eat Local Grown. Or as we said, your best option is to buy some olive oil from your neighborhood farmers. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share.